So one of the differences that you're going to see if you kind of invest on a wide lens is that you're going to be able to show more of the background. This is the kit lens right here, 18 to 55. I do like this as well because, you know, you have a little bit of zooming in. Like in this case, if I want to zoom in here, I could quickly go like this. You can see that right there. You do have a little bit of bokeh as well. Bring it back. I love being able to zoom in into that right there, but at the same time, sometimes I want to be able to have it a little bit bigger so I could show more. Specifically when you vlog and things like that, you want to be able to show the background. You want to be able to show where you're at. You want to be able to show some of the environments. Like in this right here, if I kind of move this way, you can see all that. I want to be able to show more of that. And again, sometimes this lens is kind of too tight in your face. So let me jump back onto the wide lens and kind of show you a little bit of a difference. And here you're going to see a little bit of the difference. Being really wide, you're going to be able to show a lot of the background. You're going to be able to show so much more. Look at this. Really a lot you could show right here. Is really a picture or a frame that people enjoy because you're not really in their face. You could kind of back away right here and then show a lot of the background. And at the same time, you do have an 18 capability, so you could kind of zoom in right here. If that is something that is necessary to you, you're going to have it available. But obviously for vlogging and things like that, you're going to have it open just like this so you could show a lot more of the frame. I'm going to tell you, the motors are very silent. You barely can hear that. So far for the price that you get this lens, it's pretty good.